Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about concept of national security. In that we saw the nation state, nationalism, national interest and national power. Today we'll see the information about national security. National security means developing the capacity or the preparedness for protecting the nation against all threats from the foreign nation or the group of a nation which create obstacles against or challenge national interest and successfully combating all such threats by using military power if necessary. This is the meaning of national security, means to give the do the protection of the state from the external and internal aggression, external and internal attack in attack power and threats. The national security, the importance of national security, it is very important for the nation and its people to have a proper security system. It is very important things for the nation and those people living in the nation, they have a proper security system. For the people, the nation have a proper security system. Strong national security system provide a certain benefit, and always the strong national security system provide a certain benefit and advantage for the nation. First, the internal and external stability is achieved in the country because of the strong security. The internal and external stability is achieved in the country, in the nation. Peace prevails in the country because of the strong security system. The peace prevails in a country. There are no obstacle in achieving the national interest. There are no obstacle between achieving the national interest in the nation. The welfare of the people of the country is achieved. The welfare of the people in the country, it is also achieved because of the strong security system in the nation. It provides the solid foundation for the progress and development of the country. It is provide very strong foundation for the progress of the nation, progress of the country and progress of the people. If the security, they get the proper security, they also to do the progress and they also to the development for their life and the develop, and because of that automatically it is developed of the country. It is a development of the country. The factors of the national security. Second one is the factor of national security. The national security is associated with the following three factors. First is geopolitical location and situation in the country. Second one, the foreign policy of the country. The national security policy of the country. The national security planning. Third is the national security planning. In order to establish the national security system, the planning has to take place considering both political and the functional aspects. In order to establish the national security system, the planning has took place both aspect, that is political and functional. This planning is done by following stages. Preparedness in peace time, preparation in term of building friendly relationship with foreign country. We have to prepare the relationship between the foreign country. We have to do the friendly relationship with the foreign countries that help to protect the national interest, and it is help to protect the national interest of the nation, creating the mobilization, security, equipment, purchase, the transport of sources, the human sources, training, etc. are done during the peace time. In that, we have to creating the mobilization, security. We have to purchase the equipment, to purchase the other thing we required for the security system, and the transport should be good quality. The roads and other facilities should be available in that area. Of other resources, that is the environmental resources, technological and industrial environment should be proper. This is done during the peace time. Whenever the peace time is there in the nation, that time we have to do these things. Preparation during the threats preparation. As soon as the open or the hidden or the external threats is perceived, the preparation is done through the various ways, such as the threat analysis, taking the firm stand, and creating the social awareness. If the threatening perceptions create in the nation, that time we have to do the analysis of that threats, taking firm stand on that situation, and creating the social awareness about that threats. We have to do the social awareness. We have to take the people for that as a support, and do the social awareness between the people of the nation. Combat of physical threats. The national security is protected by combating the actual threats through the various means. The national security is protected by combating the actual threats through the various means, such as using the physical armed forces. We have to use the military forces for the combat. If we needed, maintaining the internal harmony by socio-political diplomacy, maintaining the international relationship, providing the appropriate information to the public, etc. Means you have to maintain the international relationship properly with the other nation, foreign countries, and providing the appropriate information to the public about the security. So student, you understood the meaning of national security, the factor of national security, and the security planning. So student, here we completed the first chapter, that is national security. I hope you understood the first chapter, national security. Here some activity questions are given that you have to complete, write it properly, the answer of these activity questions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.